3 reasons why you want a lithium-ion golf cart instead of a gas golf cart. Power. There's not a single gas golf cart engine made that can produce the type of speed and torque that a high-performance electric golf cart motor can. Yes, you can swap out a gas engine in a golf cart with something way more powerful and way more loud, defeating the purpose of it being a golf cart. But if we're talking stock parts that you can just buy and bolt right on, an electric golf cart motor will be way faster and way more torquey than any gas engine made. Noise. Gas golf carts make more noise than electric golf carts. Yes, some high-performance electric motors can make a bit of a whine, but it's still nothing compared to a gas engine noise. Maintenance. Yearly maintenance. A gas golf cart requires yearly maintenance, if once or if not twice a year, changing the engine oil, and maybe even as far as changing the air filter, the gas filter, the spark plug. Meanwhile, a lithium-ion golf cart does not require any yearly maintenance, and the only oil that needs changed in a lithium-ion golf cart is the rear axle oil, which needs changed every 3 to 5 years. So if you want a quiet golf cart that doesn't require much maintenance, that goes super fast and has a lot of torque, then you might want to consider going lithium instead of gas. But I also have 3 reasons why you might want gas instead of lithium.